Other new arrival, how about the 1980 Pontiac Firebird Turbo Trans Am pace car?
Yeah.
It's a very iconic looking car. It's graphicked up like crazy. It's a true Y85 pace car. Turbocharged 301 cubic inch V8, numbers matching turbo hydromatic 350, T-tops, 10-bolt axle. Thank God for the turbochargers back in the day because it bumped the horsepower from 140 to 210. And you think 210 in a Trans Am, which was a sports car back in the day.
Yeah.
But that's what it was.
That's all they got out of it.
And it was, they originally had, I think, probably 1989, they put a turbo Buick engine into the Trans Am, and that paced the Indy 500. And then, of course, this one was 1980, so 9 years earlier.
Yeah, 9 years earlier. The technology over those 9 years really changed. Really changed because you don't get 300 horsepower out of the TTA.
And you don't have the turbo lag like you have in the older ones. In a 930 turbo Porsche, if the turbo kicked in at the wrong moment, you were in deep doo-doo. And I had that happen, and it's a long story, and we will tell it one of these days, maybe when I'm drinking on the air.
Okay, that'll be good.
It caught really in an off-camber left-hander. And I thought, if I wreck this, I'm going to have to run and hide.
It's a legendary. The lag for old Porsches is legendary.
Yeah.